Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Jake Green. I'm the Head of Technical Engagement here at the Skyward Group. And in today's video, we're going to be bringing you another installation one. If you hadn't already guessed, it's going to be on Ovia. Now, all the products that you see behind us here, if any of them take your fancy and you want to come up and have a look at the showroom, and get in contact with your local ASM, and I guarantee they would love to bring you up here to have a look. The fitting that we're going to be focusing on today is the Inceptor Duo, the one that I've got in my hand here. The most important feature for me, or the best feature about this product, is the fact that it's got an up and down light. Now, that gives you the ability to have one on something softer above the ceiling and a bit brighter down below. It does also have the ability to be CTA switched as well. So if you want something that's a different color up and different color down, then this is the fit for you. Let's get into the unboxing and have a look at the features of it. So one thing you'll notice about the packaging, slightly different from some of our other videos, is that we've gone to a more recyclable cardboard as well. So keeping in touch with all of the green credentials that we offer, we've now switched our packaging out to this material. Same material, just no ink on there, making it fully recyclable. So just get rid of that. Over to there. So the first thing you'll notice is that you can see down the bottom here is the down light, and this has got the diffuser in that side. And then if I flip the fitting over, as we've already mentioned, you can see that we've also got a diffuser on the top here for the light that's going to be up. Now these two parts here, these two switches, are where you actually switch it from different colors that you're looking for. So whether it's warm white, cool white, or daylight, and you can do those both individually. Alternatively as well, if you actually don't want the top one on, or you don't want the bottom one on, you can switch them completely off. So it's a cool little feature that's in there. I don't imagine that you're going to be doing that regularly and changing it from time to time, but it is there if you wish to do so. Then we've got the suspension cables on this side, which is a nice easy fitting, and we'll get that out in a second. And then you've also got the base here, and that's going to be where all your connections are housed in one side. So you've got the piano keys like you see on most of our fittings, and you've also got a bracket there. So you can pre-mount the bracket that side, and you can also mount that part as well. So once you've done those, it's going to be very, very simple and quick and easy to install. So let's get this on the ceiling and then we'll see how it's fitted. One thing to mention is that it does come in a 4 and a 5 foot as well. So if you're looking for something that's a little bit bigger than what I've got in my hands here, then again, it's something that we do. I have already put the bracket on there. We've got some plywood that's sitting behind the ceiling tile, and I've also put the bracket on the other side, so making it nice and easy. Do all that prep work beforehand, and then it's very simple case of just putting the fitting up itself. So I'm going to go ahead and put that up now, and then I'm going to pass the cable through and then connect it into one of the flow plugs that sit above there. So when it comes to fixing the base, it's just a couple of screws that go in on the side. Once you get them started, give them a quick nip up. Now, as we've mentioned that we're working in the Ovia showroom, everything in here on the ceiling grid wise is all on flow connectors. So we've got the flow connectors that we normally see and love to connect this fitting up. Once we've done that, we'll get it plugged in and switch back on. So that's it on the ceiling now. You can see that we've got the cool white there. I'm just going to flick through the different colors that you can have. So you've got cool white, warm white, daylight, and you've got also got the ability to have it off. Then we do the top, cool, warm, daylight, and the ability to have it off as well. So I'm just going to switch that one back on there. Now this is the black version. We also do it in a white and a grey. So that's 3 different color types. We also do it in the 4 and 5 foot. They do come in different variants as well. So you've got a emergency one, and you've also got a dimmable version via the Dali pairing that's situated inside there. They do come with a 5-year warranty, as most of our fittings do. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you on the next one.